Michelle Sterling for Friends of Science Society. Did you give or get something special at Christmas time? Like maybe some Lego? I hope you didn't give it to any planet savers, any of the climate cult, because yes, indeed, Lego is on their radar. They want to get rid of Lego. You know, the gift that keeps on giving for children for years and years and years, the gift that, you know, millions of children and adults around the world adore. I mean, you don't adore it in the middle of the night when you step on one of these things while you're going to the bathroom or going to get a snack, but, you know, kids love this. And of course, most educators and even many scientists, neuroscientists, would say that Lego is the perfect thing for helping developing the fine motor control of the fingers, and the hands are the way that human beings encounter the world. This is how we make our world real, from ideas in our head to what we do with our hands. So that fine motor control is very important. And the wonderful thing with Lego is when you build something, you use all your creative faculties. But no, the planet savers can't stand it because it's made from oil. Now apparently, Lego has tried very hard to come up with some alternative material to make the little Lego blocks from, but somehow this substance from oil is just perfect for Lego. It's just perfect for the durability, for the stickability of the little blocks together, and also there's just enough tension that you can also pull them apart easily. So, you know, it's like the climate cult just won't let anybody have any fun. They don't want you to fly, they don't want you to drive, they don't want you to have a steak, and they don't want you to play with Lego. So, whatever the case, I have Lego. I got Lego for Christmas, so I'm all set to be creative for the rest of the year, and maybe perhaps for the rest of my life, because Lego just doesn't break for the most part. It's pretty hard to break Lego, even when you're walking on it in the middle of the night. For Friends of Science Society, I'm Michelle Sterling.